Hello guys, it's kind of summer. It's been a while since we've done like a video. We just thought we're going to do something chaotic.
Well, it's a little bit bored, aren't we? Because, you know, first day of summer.
Yeah.
Well, I say
like,
first day of summer, it's only March.
Yeah.
We're not used to the sunny weather.
Yeah, so we have a sled and of course a motorbike.
And my motorbike.
You're going over the
And
road.
we're going to go fast.
Yeah, we move everything into the middle or just out of the way, so we can go very fast. So we don't have to stop like and stuff. We can go. I might fall off, and Fidget might get freaked out. Okay, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Look out, honey. Ago. No, I keep doing that. That was like fun. Like go that fast. Yeah, so I had to come back. Come back. Come. Oh, at least it's clean now. There's no cobwebs or stuff anymore. At least. Yes, we are ready. And I'm holding on very tight. Okay. Here we go. Picking up a bit of speed. Woo! I'm still back here. Yeah. Go faster! Faster! Ooh. I have lost you. Okay, this so far is very fun. Yeah, sorry about that. We lost you for a sec. You'd gone far away. You can carry on driving. Oh god, that was a rough start. Oh my god, that was. You guys don't actually, you know how fast I'm going. Sometimes I'm going really fast. Oh god. Oh god. You guys are probably vomiting. Oh, okay. You're gonna keep making them vomit, are you? Wait, no, we're going onto stone. Oh god. Oh god, no. This is gonna be terrible. This is a terrible idea. Okay, that was the worst idea you've ever had. Yeah, this was chaos.
See you guys.
This was chaos. Say hello to the other you. You know, we just did a bunch of stuff. I got a couple of girls now. Yeah.
Anyway.
Yeah.
Tune back in for more craziness.
Yeah, this
at a later date.
We'll
think of something else.
We're just gonna, yeah, we're gonna do. Since it's summer and we're gonna do more stupid things.
Exactly. It's outdoor weather now. So
it's stupid season. Stupid season. We're gonna end it there. Sorry if we make you guys sick. And sorry that I dropped you. It was like.
That's part of the fun. Yeah,
it was really fun. So, yeah, we're gonna drop out. So make sure to like and subscribe. That's all, guys. Bye bye.
Bye bye.